Introduction.
Dad, you look very happy. What is the matter?
Anup, our Chief Minister is visiting our office tomorrow.
What for, Dad?
In recognition of our contribution to the Chief Minister's Flood Relief Fund.
Wow, that's great. By the way, how much amount did your office contribute?
1 crore. Can you believe that, Anup?
That's indeed a lot of money, Dad.
In this lesson, you will learn about large numbers. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to express numbers using Indian and international systems of numeration, write numbers in standard and expanded forms, arrange numbers in ascending and descending orders, round off numbers, convert Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals and vice versa. Large numbers. Raman is watching the reality show Kaun Banega Karodpati. The contestant on the hot seats wins 1 crore rupees. The host signs and hands him over a check containing lots of zeros. Raman is eager to know the exact number of zeros in 1 crore. Let us look at the largest 7-digit number that you learnt in class 4. It is 9 written 7 times. It is read as 99,99,999. Now add 1 to the number. What do you get? 1 followed by 7 zeros. This number is known as 1 crore. It is the first 8-digit number. 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. It is 1 more than 99,99,999. Therefore, 1 crore is the successor of the largest 7-digit number. In other words, the largest 7-digit number is the predecessor of the smallest 8-digit number. The largest 8-digit number has 8 nines in it. Add 1 to it. What do you get? 1 followed by 8 zeros. This number is known as 10 crores. It is the first 9-digit number. 10 crores is the smallest 9-digit number. It is 1 more than the largest 8-digit number. Therefore, 10 crores is the successor of the largest 8-digit number. In other words, the largest 8-digit number is the predecessor of the smallest 9-digit number. Representation of numbers. Let us now represent 8 and 9-digit numbers using Indian system of numeration, International system of numeration. Let's learn more about number systems in our next screens. Indian system of numeration. The Indian system of numeration divides the digits of a number into 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Let us see how. Consider the number 432756819. We count 3 digits from the right and place a comma before 8. Then we count 2 more digits and place a comma before 5. We count 2 more digits and place a comma before 2. Thus, we have 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. This is the Indian place value chart. Now let us read the number from left. It is 43 crore 27 lakh 56,819. Let us look at the Indian place value chart in detail. The ones group has 3 digits 9, 1 and 8. Each of these digits has a specific place. They are ones, tens and hundreds. Similarly, the thousands group has 2 digits 6 and 5. Their places are thousands and 10,000s. The lakhs group has the 2 digits 7 and 2. Their places are lakhs and 10 lakhs. The last group of crores also has 2 digits 3 and 4. Their places are crores and 10 crores. Every digit in a number has a face value and a place value. The face value of a digit is the digit itself, irrespective of its location in a number. The place value of a digit is the value it derives from its place in the number. The place value chart makes it easy to read a number. Let us see how. Consider the number 405320140. First, we arrange it in the place International System of Numeration. The International System of Numeration divides the digits of a number into 3 groups: ones, thousands, and millions. Let us see how. Consider the number 432756819. We count 3 digits from the right and place a comma before 8. Then we count 3 more digits and place a comma before 7. Thus, we have 3 groups: ones, thousands, and millions. This is the International Place Value Chart. Now, let us read the number from left. It is 432,756,819. Let us look at the International Place Value Chart in detail. The ones group has 3 digits 9, 1 and 8. Each of these digits has a specific place. They are ones, tens and hundreds. Similarly, the thousands group has 3 digits 6, 5 and 7. Their places are thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. The millions group has the 3 digits 2, 3 and 4. Their places are millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Let us now read the numbers with the help of the International Place Value Chart. Consider the number 405320140. First, we arrange it in the place value chart. Digit 4 appears at 2 places, tens and 100 millions. The face value of digit 4 is 4 at both the places. But the place value of the 4 at the tens place is 4 tens, that is 40, and at the 100 millions place is 400 millions, that is 400 millions. Now we read the number 405,320,140. Consider one more number 700. Self-assessment. Drag the numbers and drop them on the corresponding number names, expressing numbers. To understand 8 and 9-digit numbers better, let us express them in expanded form, standard form. Let us learn them one by one in detail. Look at this number 543 296 123. It has 3 groups. Therefore, it belongs to the International System of Numeration. Let us express it in expanded form. First, we arrange the number in the International Place Value Chart. 543, 296, 123 may be expressed in expanded form as 500 millions plus 410 millions plus 31 millions plus 200 thousands plus 9 thousands plus 6 1,000s plus 100 plus 2 tens plus 3 ones. Consider one more number 35, 67, 89, 194. It has 4 groups. Therefore, it belongs to the Indian System of Numeration. Let us express it in expanded form. First, we arrange the number in the Indian Place Value Chart. 35, 67, 89, 194 may be expressed in expanded form as 310 crores plus 51 crores plus 610 lakhs plus 71 lakhs plus 8 10,000s plus 9 1,000s plus 100 plus 9 tens plus 4 ones. Take a look at this number expressed in expanded form. Let us express the number in standard form. The number belongs to the Indian System of Numeration. Therefore, draw the Indian Place Value Chart. Let us look at the terms one by one. First term is 30 crores or 3. Self-assessment. Click and match the expanded form of column A with the standard forms of column B. Arranging numbers. Let us now arrange 8 and 9-digit numbers in ascending order and descending order. Let us now arrange numbers in ascending order. Arrangement of numbers in the increasing order is called ascending order. Consider these numbers. Count the digits in each number. The first and the last have 9 digits. The rest have 8 digits. Since we are arranging the numbers in ascending order, 8-digit numbers will come first, followed by 9-digit numbers. Now consider the 8-digit numbers. The first two begins with digit 3. Their second digits are 7 and 2. 7 is greater than 2. Therefore, 37189,043 is greater than 324,578,96. Interchange the numbers. The third 8-digit number begins with 4. 4 is greater than the first digit 3 of 371,890,43. Therefore, 489,763,21 is the largest 8-digit number. It appears after the other two 8-digit numbers. Now compare 327154, 391 and 54321 8976. Their first digits are 3 and 5, and 3 is lesser than 5. So, 3271 54391 should come first, followed by 54321 8976. They are in the correct order. Therefore, the ascending order of numbers is this: 3245 7896, 37189 043, 4897 6321, 3271 54391, 543 218976. Let us now arrange numbers in descending order. Arrangement of numbers in the decreasing order is called rounding off numbers. Ratan comes across the following headlines in a newspaper. ABC company sells 1,29,87,654 cars in 2011. Ratan wonders if the figure can be simplified and made easy to read. Yes, we can make the figure easy to read by rounding it off. Let us see how. Let us begin by rounding off 129,87,654 to the nearest 10. We first consider the digit at the ones place. It is 4. 4 is smaller than 5. We replace it with 0. 129,87,654 rounded off to nearest 10 is 129,87,650. We now round off 129,87,654 to the nearest 100. Let us take a look at the digit at the tens place. It is 5. We replace it and the digit following it with 0. We increase the digit at hundreds place by 1. 129,87,654 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 129,87,700. We now round off 129,87,654 to the nearest 1000. Take a look at the digit at the hundreds place. It is 6. 6 is greater than 5. We replace it and the digits following it with 0. We increase the digit at thousands place by 1. 129,87,654 rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 129,88,000. We now round off 129,87,654 to the nearest lakh. Consider the figure at 10,000's place. It is 8. 8 is greater than 5. We replace it and the digits following it with 0. We increase the digit at lakhs place by 1. 129,87,654 rounded off to the near Roman numerals. The numbers we studied so far are the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Let us now look at Roman numerals. 7 symbols are used to form Roman numerals. They are I, we,
X, L, C, D and M. They correspond to the Hindu Arabic numerals 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Let us first list the rules of the Roman system. Number 1. Symbols are repeated to denote addition. Number 2. Symbols can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. Number 3. Symbol V, L and D cannot be repeated. Number 4. Smaller numerals on the left is subtracted from the larger numeral on its immediate right. Number 5. Smaller numeral on the right is added to the larger numeral on its immediate left. Number 6. Smaller numeral between two larger numerals is subtracted from the one on its immediate right. Now, let us form Roman numerals from Hindu Arabic numerals. Write the Roman equivalent of 57. L represents 50. V represents 5. Double I represents 1 plus 1, that is 2. Therefore, 57 is equal to LVII. Write the Roman equivalent of 369. C represents 100. Triple C represents 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. L represents 50. X represents 10. LX represents 50 plus 10, that is equal to 60. IX represents 10 minus 1, that is 9. Therefore, 369 is equal to CCC LX IX. Write the Roman equivalent of 426. D represents 500. C represents 100. CD represents 500 minus 100, that is equal to 400. X represents 10. XX represents 10 plus 10, that is self-assessment. Drag and drop the numbers to fill the blanks in correct order. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. There are two systems of numeration, Indian and international. Indian number system divides the digits into 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. International number system divides the digits into 3 groups: ones, thousands and millions. The location of a digit in the place value chart determines its value. Numbers can be expressed in 2 forms: standard and expanded. Arrangement of numbers in the increasing order is called ascending order. Arrangement of numbers in the decreasing order is called descending order. Numbers can be rounded off to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, lakh or even crore.